8 Best Diet Tips for Senior Adults. Senior adults face challenges of loss of appetite or taste at some point. But then any of these should not be a reason to miss eating or drinking. For caregivers, we have listed the best diet tips for older people that you take care of. 1. Let them eat the freshest food that you can find. Older people are prone to poor digestion, and you want to also prevent allergies from not-so-fresh food. Your fruits and vegetables do not have to be expensive, but it can be bountiful, fresh, and cheaper if it is in season. Also, older adults need to eat 1.5 cups of fresh fruits every day. 2. Soft food does not always mean mashed or pureed. Soft food can be really tasty. You can make puddings, cakes, sauces, gravies, custards. How about some fruit juices and shakes to serve as your soft food too? All of these can be anything from savory to sweet or anything in between. But again, make sure they should be tasty, soft food. 3. Remember these digits: 502525. Always stay with this ideal food to plate ratio: 50% vegetables, 25% starch or carbohydrates, and 25% protein when preparing the food. 4. The sun can also nourish you with vitamin D. Get out with your ward and get some sun every day. Although you can get vitamin D from food like oily fish, eggs, and dairy products, you still need some good old sunbathing for a few minutes in a day. 5. Senior adults also need their calcium. Just like kids, senior adults need to maintain good bone health. Since they are also at high risk of falls and injuries, think ahead and let them have the best sources of calcium. They can get it from milk and dairy products, but calcium is also present in green vegetables, fish, grains, and nuts. 6. Complement diet with adult milk or other beverages. Here, complement is the word and not meal replacement. Make sure you check with your senior's doctor and dietitian so you are customizing the right meal plans for them. 7. Fiber is fabulous. Always find a way to include fiber-rich food into your patient's diet. Fruits and vegetables are always mentioned on top of the list, but there are many other sources of fiber. Look for grains and legumes on your next grocery run. Fiber does not only aid in digestion, but also it may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce high cholesterol. 8. Stay hydrated, always. Drinking water is cheap and is always almost accessible everywhere. There is no excuse anymore that your senior will not be hydrated. Reminder, food also needs water, and some of the fiber needs to absorb water for digestion. Don't forget, it should be tasty. These tips will help you plan out your weekly menu that fits your elder's dietary requirements. Remember that malnutrition will result in a myriad of problems like loss of muscle, slow healing of wounds, slow recovery from illness, infections, and a lot more. According to the World Health Organization, most of the older people's health problems stem from a lack of proper diet. Nutritious food for your seniors should always be tasty. You are trying to feed a person who needs it most because it will help them keep healthy and away from more medical issues than they already have. Soft, nutritious, and tasty should always be top of mind in preparing each dish. This video is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment, and does not constitute medical or other professional advice. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health providers with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more of these videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. iSavta is committed to connecting you, caregivers, with employers all over Israel. We offer the easiest way for caregivers to look for jobs. Visit our website, www.isavta.co.il, and sign up for free.